Good morning, this is David. I just got to Kappa Island yesterday and booked a boat tour of Halong Bay for today. They've got a lot of stuff for us to do. It should be fun and it should be really beautiful. Come get lost with me.
So I guess this place is operated by a generator, and in the evening they shut down the generators, and now they're starting up the generator right now, so no wonder the electricity went out last night. Now the electricity is back on, thank goodness.
I'm not sure what's going on. The generator's on, we have power, but we don't have AC. Probably gonna go down and ask what's going on because it's really hot and humid right now. It's only 6:45 and I'm already sweating.
So apparently last night the electricity cut out, and it was unexpected, and we haven't gotten any AC yet since last night, so it has been pretty miserable. Being in the room, cooped up, and no air.
It looks like this place runs its own generator, but we're not getting AC during the daytime from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. There's no electricity for the island, and it seems like it's something that happens periodically here. So this is something to keep in mind if you're planning to stay on Kappa Island. They're not sure when power is coming back on the island, but we'll find out later. For now, I think everybody's just really anxious to go on this day trip and get out of this heat.
So we're heading to, I guess, the bus, and we get transported to the boat.
Inside the cave. After that, everybody come back to the boat for lunch. After lunch, we go to the beach, stop there for tumbling, swimming, snorkeling, and visiting floating village, visiting village, Monkey Island, and come back to Kappa 5 p.m. Are you okay? Yeah.
Halong Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It gained that recognition in 1994. The entire bay is 1,553 kilometers square, which is about 1,000 square miles. There's about 1,600 limestone islands throughout.
Headed down, because we're going to get a briefing on the kayak. Wow, that's crazy view. Look at this.
Okay, we're here to do some kayaking, and we've got a little bit over an hour to explore the bay and the islands nearby. We're paddling through this natural tunnel, and on the other side, there's supposed to be an enclosed bay. Wow, you really have to be here to see how beautiful this place is. So this is lunch. Looks like we're having some fried fish. There's some roasted peanuts, eggs, stir-fried tofu, and some stir-fried vegetables. And of course there's rice. Looks pretty good. we're at Monkey Island right now, and we're gonna take a hike or something like that. Hopefully the monkeys don't steal anything from us. Actually, I'm gonna go check out the monkeys first. We just found out that you can climb up to the summit, and it's a pretty nice view. So let's go do that. Oh man, there's some rocks with some really sharp edges here, and I'm wearing sandals, so I don't know if I'll make it up there, but let's see. They're taking a look at the path to see if it's something we can walk through. Yeah, there's some really sharp edges up there, so I think we're just gonna turn around here. Well, this isn't the summit, but it still looks really nice. So, getting some mango and pineapple.
Oh, did you go? Did you go?
No, I went to the
Harlem.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night.
I had a really good time today. I really enjoyed myself. I mean, you can't get any better than this. It's $16. We went on a boat tour, we kayaked, we ate, and fed some monkeys. It's been an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications for content and updates. And thanks for getting lost with me.